The AEM Hall of Fame is a collection of innovators and leaders in the off-road equipment manufacturing industry. Combined, the 67 Hall of Fame inductees have created the equipment and technologies that have built, fed, and powered our world. This year, we recognize two individuals who join our illustrious group of industry leaders, inventors, and visionaries. This year, we celebrate Akio Takeuchi, founder and chairman of Takeuchi Manufacturing, and Susanne Cobey, CEO of Eagle Crusher.
In 1963, at the age of 29, Akio Takeuchi founded Takeuchi Manufacturing in Nagano, Japan. Early on, he learned that by listening to customers and understanding their needs, he would be able to achieve one of the most important factors for success: customer satisfaction. A few years later, a local business partner and builder approached Mr. Takeuchi and asked him to develop a machine that would help his employees do their jobs faster, easier, and with less manual labor. The result of this request was the world's very first compact excavator. Over the years, Takeuchi Manufacturing continued to grow, developing new innovations and, in 1986, the first compact track loader.
先を見てどうなるか想像しながら新しいものを発想していく力。15年前に誰も電気なんて復旧するなんて思ってなかったのが、そういう発想が生まれて独創的なアイディアで、今の製品になった。会長は社殿の中で挑戦っていうのは一番大事にしてると思うんですけど、挑戦っていうのは最初から諦めない。
Mr. Takeuchi established a corporate motto and business philosophy based on his customer-centric, need-based vision. The Takeuchi Way embraces the spirit of creation, challenge, and cooperation with a focus on environmental stewardship and positive societal contributions.
Mr. Takeuchi formed a team to create the best machine in the world. I remember to meet a man with a vision, a man with a mission. Still, today, Mr. Takeuchi, you show the world that you believe in the future.
Mr. Takeuchi has always believed in the power of teamwork. He says there's virtually no limit to what dedicated people can accomplish together.
人のものまねじゃダメだっていうことでね、絶えずこういう仕事機械化できねえかとか、これで困ってるからなんとかそのね助けようっていうか、機械化して楽にしようとか、そういうことを絶えず考えて、そういう信念っていうか、それは大事だと思うね。
Today, Takeuchi Manufacturing continues to provide equipment designed to make short work of tough jobs. And Mr. Takeuchi still believes that when you put your customers' needs first, success will follow.
We're fortunate to learn from Mr. Takeuchi his willingness to listen to the customer, solve their problems, and create long-term values. I don't speak the same language as Mr. Takeuchi, but through his actions and deeds, I've been able to learn these values. Mr. Takeuchi, congratulations. Kaicho, omedetou gozaimasu.
Meanwhile, 11 years after the founding of Takeuchi Manufacturing and 60 miles north of Columbus, Ohio, Susanne Cobey was getting her start in the equipment manufacturing industry after already having broken new ground in Detroit. From a child who wanted to be president of GM to a woman who became the Ford Motor Company's first female hire in a position other than secretary to the CEO of Eagle Crusher Company, Susanne Cobey is a force to be reckoned with. A third-generation entrepreneur, Susanne has been the driving force behind the paradigm shift that turned Eagle Crusher from its humble beginnings in 1915 into the large-scale manufacturing company it is today. Founded in Kenton, Ohio by C.L. Woods, Eagle Crusher Company manufactured small jaw crushers designed to take rock from the sides of roads and crush it into stone for making road improvements. Ralph Cobey, Susanne's father, bought the company in 1952 after Wood's retirement, moving it to Galion, Ohio. After the company was reorganized in 1970, Susanne joined Eagle Crusher in 1974 as its 10th employee as parts manager. She advanced to sales manager, VP of Sales and Finance, and ultimately president and CEO in 1990. She became the only female president and CEO in her industry. In that same year, Susanne acquired the Stedman Machine Company in Aurora, Indiana. In 1984, Eagle needed to find a new direction. Susanne knew customers were looking to recycle concrete and asphalt, but couldn't find a viable way to do it.
I started the commercial recycling industry for concrete and asphalt in the United States because there was a tremendous need for it. People were attempting to do it, but with the wrong equipment and failing. I found an impactor that was the solution.
The first customer to utilize the new impactor plant, dubbed the Jumbo 1400, had a contract to rebuild a runway at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base near Dayton, Ohio. By recycling the concrete and using it as base material when all the other contractors quoted only virgin material, he made nearly $1 million on that job. An industry was born. The success of the Jumbo line spurred further development of Eagle crushing plants for the recycle and aggregate markets.
As Eagle Crusher manufactured a range of portable recycling plants, the need arose for a more innovative and robust impactor. So we introduced our superior impactor, the Ultramax line.
Susanne's innovation savvy, the results of her foresight into industry changes, and her in-the-trenches approach making strong interconnections with customers to help fulfill their equipment needs, enabled her to start the commercial recycling industry for recycled concrete and recycled asphalt pavement in North America. She continued to build Eagle's recycle equipment line and is the leader in portable recycling equipment today.
Susanne inspires everybody at Eagle to think innovatively by giving all of us the freedom to experiment, take risks, and make mistakes. It motivates everyone around her to strive for excellence, and that's a powerful quality. This freedom allows us to design and produce solutions for any problems that our customers encounter. At Eagle, we don't just produce equipment, we provide solutions. What's remarkable to me is that Susanne's commitment to innovation is so infectious.
Susanne Cobey's decision to refocus Eagle Crusher into the recycled concrete and recycled asphalt pavement markets created not only a whole new product line for Eagle Crusher, but a whole new industry in North America, taking crushing to a new level. Under Susanne's leadership and her vision, Eagle Crusher has flourished while helping companies around the world to significantly grow their own businesses. For both Akio Takeuchi and Susanne Cobey, it wasn't enough to just take on a new and challenging industry. They both chose to create entire product segments that other industry peers have chosen to follow in the years since. And that's why we invite them both to join the AEM Hall of Fame in 2023.